Assortment. Assortment. A mixture or combination of different types. A mixture or combination of different types. Once upon a time, there was a candy store in a busy market square. The store was known for its impressive assortment of sweets, with a wide variety of colors, flavors, and shapes. People from all over the town would come to the store to pick their favorite candies from the assortment. There was something for everyone, from sour gummies to creamy chocolates. One day, a little girl walked into the store, her eyes wide with wonder at the endless rows of candy. She approached the counter and asked the owner for help in choosing an assortment of her own. The owner, a kind and patient woman, took the girl on a tour of the store, showing her the different kinds of candies and helping her make her choices. The girl picked an assortment of gummies, chocolates, and hard candies, and the owner carefully packed them into a colorful bag. The little girl was so happy with her purchase, and she promised to come back to the store to try a different assortment of candy every time. The owner was thrilled to have made a new customer and looked forward to seeing the little girl again. And so, the candy store continued to bring joy and happiness to everyone who entered its doors, with its never-ending assortment of sweets.